Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to Audi C7 Owners. Been a couple weeks since I've given you guys a video, but as you can see, Santa visited the C7 garage a few weeks early. So in this video, we are going to open these gifts and give you guys a sneak peek into what's to come starting in the beginning of 2023 for Audi C7 owners. Alright guys, welcome back. My name is Cameron. As always, I will be your guide through this video. Tonight we're going to open up each one of these fantastic looking presents and incredibly wrapped presents, I might say. I mean, Santa's elves really know what they're doing. But we're going to go through these and give you some updates on what is to come for my car and the Audi C7 Owners channel coming in the next few weeks. If you follow the channel, you follow me on Instagram, then you're aware that I haven't had my car for about 3 weeks. It's been in the body shop getting repaired, getting some special stuff done to it. I can't wait to unveil that, but it is making me excited for my car in a way I haven't been in a long time. So I'm excited to share a lot of updates with you guys. I'm gonna get these rearranged and we are gonna go through some of these. I'm gonna open them like a kid on Christmas morning would, and we will talk about what is under the wrapping. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this one. What could it be? Let's get it. I'm gonna open them like my 4-year-old does. Oh, look at that, Rock Auto tape. Interesting. Santa shops at Rock Auto. So, inside, present number one, Santa brought to Audi C7 owners 2 downstream O2 sensors. I have bad O2 sensors on my downstream O2 sensors because the wires have gotten just too hot. They melted and they fried. So I've got check engine lights for my downstream O2 sensors. So I've got 2 new O2 sensors. One's a Bosch, one's a Denso, because I got a killer deal on this one brand new and I got a killer deal on this one used. It's only got a couple 100 miles on it. I mean, Santa brought me these. He found killer deals. But yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of those check engine lights and you guys will get a DIY video on how to swap out your O2 sensors. All right, present number 2. We're gonna go with this one. So, let's see. All right, what did Santa bring? Oh my gosh, I got detailing stuff. In here, I got a box of goodies from Avalon King Detailing Supplies. I've got their Chanel microfiber wash mitt. I've got their Ultra Plush microfiber buffing towels. I've got their all-purpose microfiber towels. I also have this box in here. This is their Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating from Avalon King. It's got great reviews as a DIY ceramic coating. It can be put on anything from your wheels to your rubber trim, to your plastic, to your windows, to the paint, everything. And I've been told, and I've seen online tons of reviews, a lot of people like this stuff, and it's easy to do at home. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put on ceramic coating on your car. Also, to go along with that, we've got their car shampoo, we've got their prep shampoo for decontaminating the paint, and we have their IPA prep spray to help us in putting the ceramic coating on. So super stoked about this. Full disclosure, I bought everything in this box, or I should say Santa gave me everything in this box, except for the Armor Shield 9. The guys at Avalon King sent this to us, or sent it to Santa to give to us as well, to help us out with that video. So for those of you that don't know, way back before I ever had a YouTube channel, when I was still in college, I was actually a professional detailer for Volkswagen and BMW and at a private detail shop. And so I'm gonna have to brush off some dust and break out my detailing skills to show you guys. I know this might come as quite a bit of a shock to most of you who have watched the channel for a long time and know how absolutely filthy my car is. But since it's coming out of the body shop, over 80% of the car has been repainted and I really want to take care of it. So I really want to get a good ceramic coating on there. And when I say good, something I can do at home. You can always go to a really professional shop and get, a 7-year, really expensive job. But I'm going to show you how to do this at home and something you can prep, install, and keep up with at home. Shout out to Avalon King for sending us a box, sending us some of their Armor Shield 9 to Santa and getting that to us. Really, really appreciate that. Okay, second to last present. Smallest one out of the lot, but, big things come in small packages. So let's see what this is. Oh boy, that's a box you always want to see under your Christmas tree. Anything from Merc Racing, you know is gonna be good. So what could be in here? I mean, I have almost everything from Merc Racing. So what could I possibly need from Jose? Let's see here. Oh boy. This looks like a PCV relocation kit from Merc Racing for the 3OT supercharged engine. In here we have a throttle body spacer that is going to aid in installing our relocation kit that we're going to be doing. This has a threaded port for water meth injection, as well as your PCV return line once you do the job. This also comes with a supercharger plug for the bottom of your supercharger to block off your OEM PCV return line. It comes with new bolts and hardware. It also comes with a plug for that water meth injection port if you're not going to run water meth, so you can just close that off. And it comes with good old spacers. Now these are not the spacers everyone else will get. We are still in development, so these are the spacers that I've got from Jose. You guys will get fancy, nice metal spacers more than likely when you get this kit. But this is a big deal. This means for you guys that have been waiting, that we will be doing our PCV relocation video within the next few weeks. I am extremely excited to bring that to you guys. I know all of you have been waiting for it, and those of you on the pre-order, you're dying to get your kits so you can do it. We're gonna install it on my car. We're gonna get that video done. We're not gonna send out any of the kits until that video is up and running, because we don't want anyone trying to do this job without having the DIY video so they can see all the necessary steps, especially if I get into it and find something really strange that we need to adjust. So I know you guys want them. Be patient, they're coming. Can't wait to get this out to you. I don't care how old you get as a man, there is nothing more exciting than a giant damn present under your Christmas tree. Doesn't matter. You can be probably 70, and if you walk out and you see a package this size under your Christmas tree, you're gonna be really excited about it. So what did Santa bring me? Let's check it out. What? Santa brought me wheels, you guys. Oh man, I got a set of Momo wheels, and I am gonna be mean and not tell you what they are. We're not gonna open this box yet, because I'm gonna do a full reveal on the wheels that Santa brought me. For those of you that don't know me, one thing that I refuse to spend money on is aftermarket wheels. I can always find another excuse or something else that I could spend my money on. And so this is awesome. Thanks, Santa. I am really stoked about this because I've never really bought fancy wheels before. I've either just used ones on the cars or gone with, you know, upgraded aftermarket wheels. So I'm really excited. And if you guys want to see an unboxing video of my wheels, leave comments below and let me know. And maybe that'll be the next video I do. If you guys are part of the few circles that know what wheels I got, don't spoil it. Don't leave it in a comment. If you do, I'm going to mute you on the channel. I'm going to delete your comment. Nobody will see it. So don't spoil the fun for everybody. Keep the magic alive. But I'm really, really excited about this because the car is going to come out of the body shop with some new goodies on it. It's going to look gorgeous. And then these are just going to be the cherry on the icing. I'm so, so, so excited. But yeah, can't wait to share this with you guys. All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for tuning in for another video from Audi C7 Owners. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video, maybe sharing a couple of them with your friends if you think it'll help them out. We are going into the holiday season, right? Going to be celebrating Christmas, New Year's, all that jazz. And as such, I may or may not have a lot more content going into the next month. So I just want you guys to be aware, if content is scarce, it's because I'm spending time with my loved ones. I got a 4.5-year-old son, so Christmas is magical to him. So I'm dedicating all my spare time to them. I am going to try and give you guys updates, a little bit of stuff once my car comes out of the body shop. But just don't hound me if I'm not responding immediately to your questions and things like that. It's the holiday season. If you're traveling over the next few weeks, please be careful. Want to see you guys all back on the channel next year in 2023, commenting, yelling at me, all that good stuff. If there's something you really want to see on the channel, some kind of specific request, definitely leave them in the comments. And, you know, I'll try and do those things. A lot of times though, you guys make requests of things that my car doesn't need, or that, you know, I just don't have those parts or anything like that. So those are my limiting factors, but I will try my best to help you guys out and get you some of the requested content. Yeah, so once again, thank you for everything. Stay tuned for bloopers and behind the scenes footage of making this video. I hope you guys like that. That's something new I'm gonna do, and I will see you on the next video. Really enjoy that time with them. Bell there, but here in the next, I'm saying way too much. As always, so close. If you like what you see, consider liking the channel, subscribing, liking the video. Yep, I'm gonna do that again.
Let's see.